Hello, my name is Aaron Kemp. I am the chair of the Professional Licensing and Regulatory Affairs Group here at Chapman Law Group. We are a healthcare law only firm based in Michigan. My focus and my concentration is on defending licensed healthcare professionals in the state of Michigan against government overreach, government investigations, and a whole host of things that can arise. I have been an attorney for 28 years here in the state of Michigan, the last 21 of which have been spent focused only on defending licensed healthcare professionals, and so have a lot of experience. I was previously a medical malpractice defense attorney. I have experience in representing practice groups, but for the last 10 years here at Chapman Law Group, my primary focus has been on professional licensing, defending those that get in trouble and get administrative complaints and investigations from LARA. In addition to that, also focus on peer review matters, National Practitioner Data Bank matters, credentialing issues, all sorts of investigations with either Medicaid, Medicare, OIG, DEA investigations, doing what we can to defend individuals against government overreach into controlled substance prescribing practices. So there's a wide variety of things that we do handle here in the office. In addition to that, we also have a focus on assisting those that run into issues on the criminal side. Obviously, we get calls on a daily basis from practitioners that get drunk driving, get accused of being impaired at work, get drug tested as a result of getting a new employment. So we do everything we can to assist those individuals and get the best results. We have a proven track record of helping individuals that run into licensing concerns, that run into criminal activities, that bleed into professional practices. And again, based on our knowledge base, based on our experience, based on the relationships that we've formed over periods of time with those that work in state government, we pride ourselves on getting really excellent results for our clients. We also, have experience with federal matters such as CMS audits, Medicare audits. We get a variety of HIPAA violation cases in which we do everything we can, whether it's a HIPAA breach on a group practice level or an individual HIPAA breach. We do everything we can to assist those and get the best results given the facts that we're presented with. Also on the state level, there's been a number of OIG investigations, summary suspensions of Medicaid privileges cases. We try to take those matters to hearings and get good results, and we do get good results.
Quick break. If you're a healthcare provider or an entrepreneur involved in healthcare and have a legal problem, whether it's compliance, regulatory, DEA, criminal, or any number of legal problems, Chapman Law Group is here to help. Please visit us at chapmanlawgroup.com. Click the link below. Now back to the video.
On the peer review side, credentialing side, we do whatever we can to assist those before the matters get into the hands of credentialing committees, peer review committees, medical executive committees, because those are the real opportunities to try and get real change, to get separation agreements, to get individuals out of a situation that's toxic, a situation that's obviously a bad fit. But if we have to, we certainly defend individuals at peer review hearings before hospital boards and other things. So again, we've seen in the past few years a number of regulatory trends. I speak a number of times per year before the Michigan State Medical Society, the Michigan Osteopathic Association regarding appropriate prescribing, but that is a result of a lot of investigations, a lot of reviews done by the Drug Monitoring Unit with LARA. They're the eyes in the sky. They see everything. They review maps. They review prescribing habits. And we do what we can to educate individuals, to do compliance reviews, to go into practices, to review records, to do everything we can to make sure you're in compliance so that if you run into issues down the road, there's a way to demonstrate that it's not by virtue of being out of compliance. It's not by virtue of, having an educational shortfall. There must be something else going on that we can hopefully defend. But it's important to understand, the kind of environment that we're in, the kind of government scrutiny for these issues that's arisen because of the fentanyl crisis, a number of other crises involving allegations of inappropriate prescribing of controlled substances. So we do everything we can to educate individuals and defend them if issues come up. And we do get great results. We pride ourselves on obviously doing what we can to defend cases, but the best result is to get a case dismissed. We can point to a number of great results over the past few years of dismissals of administrative complaints after being filed, dismissals of cases before they even get into the hands of disciplinary subcommittees with the boards, after investigation interviews. Getting a letter that closes a file out is the greatest relief a client can have, and we appreciate that as well. We've assisted in investigations that have been shut down, not just licensing, but also OIG reviews from the state level, also from the federal level, Medicaid audits, provider audits, doing whatever we can to assist individuals to claw back as little as possible from the government, to reach settlements that allow them to continue to practice without government oversight, without criminal indictments, things of that nature. One of the primary things that I focus on is helping individuals get their licenses back, licenses that have been revoked, licenses that have been suspended. I have a very good track record, established track record of helping people get licenses back after very challenging circumstances. Criminal convictions, allegations of inappropriate relationships with patients, poor patient care, you name it. We assist clients all the time in reclaiming their lives, reclaiming their licenses, and getting great results and moving on with their lives after that. And one of the primary things that we do here is we fight a daily battle with the Health Professional Recovery Program, HPRP, doing what we can to help clients avoid entry into that program, assist them if they are going to be evaluated, prepare them for those evaluations, and do everything and anything we can to avoid being put into a contract and paying a great deal of money and having a great deal of constraints of their practices over the next 3 to 5 years. Again, great results, a great client service here at Chapman Law. That's what we do on a daily basis. We get calls, we help clients, we help people 24/7 availability. That's just part of legal practice these days, and we pride ourselves on that availability. So if there's any questions, if you get an investigator wanting to speak to you, if you get a letter from Laura, you get a letter from OIG, state or federal, there's no better call that you can make to Chapman Law Group. Call me anytime, call any of the attorneys here anytime, and we'll get you the results that you deserve. Thank you very much.
Hey, thank you so much for listening. Please like and subscribe, and hit that little bell down on the bottom to receive notifications of our upcoming videos.